As a telco, we're constantly moving data. And so when we think about what kind of systems we want powering our network and generating value with us, there's no question that it has to be data streaming. As we look to the future, what's the nature of that communication? More and more, it's going to be devices and apps talking using something like Kafka. We are at the advent of an industrial age of data, and the partnership between Dish and Confluent, I think, has a lot to say about that evolution. Data at telco scale is massive. We measure in terms of hundreds of petabytes per day, and that's where the idea for Dish Wireless came from. If we're going to specialize in communication between software and devices in the cloud, we need to reinvent the way that we build infrastructure for communications. Honestly, in our network, we source data from everywhere. But in order to start extracting and understanding that data, we partner with companies who understand what the data can mean, how to transact on it, and how to realize the value. The only way that we can succeed with this is by working with our ecosystem and cultivating partnerships. Partnerships like AWS, which is at the core of our cloud strategy and build. Partnerships like Confluent, that provides a way for us to transact and move data around our network. What's important to me is that we can communicate from each device to any cloud, to any application that's running anywhere. And in order for those communications to happen and for us to share data between different clouds, we want to have a broker of information. Confluent is our partner for this. What I'm most excited about with our partnership with Confluent is our work on data products, because data from our network is more valuable than the network itself. One of our objectives is to facilitate whatever kind of communication is coming next. And I think a significant portion of communication in the future is going to be the exchange of data and data products. When we look at telco scale and the kind of volumes that we're working on, we're going up orders of magnitude, maybe 1,000-fold on the volume of data that we want to transact over Confluent. And we've got a lot of technical challenges to accomplish, but we know that by having a partner like Confluent, bringing the best of the development ecosystem to bear, that we can solve those challenges and we can start refining and generating value from our network at an unimaginable level today.